అమిత్ కుమార్. నేను ఆకాష్ తెలంగాణ స్టేట్ హెడ్ని. ఈరోజు జేఈ అడ్వాన్స్ 2025 రిజల్ట్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఈ జేఈ అడ్వాన్స్ 2025 రిజల్ట్స్లో ఆకాష్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ప్రతి సంవత్సరం లాగానే ఎంతో ప్రతిభ కనబరిచారు. తెలంగాణ నుంచి మాట్లాడుకుంటే ఆల్ ఇండియా ర్యాంక్ 74 ర్యాంకు కొత్త ధనుష్ రెడ్డి కైవసం చేస్తున్నాడు. అట్లానే ఆల్ ఇండియా ర్యాంక్ 130, ఆల్ ఇండియా ర్యాంక్ 210, ఆల్ ఇండియా ర్యాంక్ 777, ఆల్ ఇండియా ర్యాంక్ 870 ఈ ర్యాంక్స్ని కూడా మా ఆకాష్ తెలంగాణ స్టూడెంట్స్ కైవసం చేసుకున్నారు. ఇదే కాకుండా అక్రాస్ ఇండియా మాట్లాడుకుంటే ఆకాష్లో మొత్తం బిలో 100 9 స్టూడెంట్స్ క్లాస్ రూమ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అండ్ 2 స్టూడెంట్స్ డిఎల్పి ద్వారా మొత్తం 11 మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆల్ ఇండియా ర్యాంక్ బిలో 100లో ర్యాంక్ సాధించారు. బిలో 1000లో మాట్లాడుకుంటే కనుక దాదాపు 99 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇప్పటిదాకా రిజల్ట్ని కైవసం చేసుకున్నారు. సో ప్రతి సంవత్సరం లాగానే గత 15 సంవత్సరాలుగా మన ఆకాష్ స్టూడెంట్స్ తెలంగాణలో ఎంతో అద్భుతమైన ఫలితాలని కనబరుస్తున్నారు. ఈ ఇయర్ ఆకాష్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ కొత్తగా ఇన్విక్టస్ అనే ప్రోగ్రామ్ని లాంచ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఎవరైతే స్టూడెంట్స్ అది హైదరాబాద్ కావచ్చు, చుట్టుపక్కల ప్రదేశాలు కావచ్చు, వాళ్ళు గనక అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఐఐటి జేఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కావాలనుకుంటే, ఐఐటీస్లో అడ్మిషన్ కావాలనుకుంటే ఈ ఇన్విక్టస్ ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఇమీడియట్గా అడ్మిషన్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. క్లాస్ 11th, క్లాస్ 12th అలాగే లాంగ్ టర్మ్లో కూడా ఈ ఇన్విక్టస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ని స్టార్ట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో మా మీద పేరెంట్స్ పెట్టుకున్న ఈ ట్రస్ట్కి, స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ మా ఫ్యాకల్టీ యొక్క కష్టానికి ఫలితాలు ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ అద్భుతంగా వస్తున్నాయి. సో అందరికీ ధన్యవాదాలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
నా పేరు భరత్. నేను ఆకాశ్ సంస్థ రీజనల్ సేల్స్ అండ్ గ్రోత్ హెడ్. ఇవాళ చాలా మంచి దినము. అంటే మాకు ఎక్సలెంట్ రిజల్ట్స్ అడ్వాన్స్ 2025లో వచ్చాయి. ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ గత 3-4 సంవత్సరాలుగా ఇంజనీరింగ్లో బ్రహ్మాండమైన రిజల్ట్ వస్తుంది. ఈసారి కూడా అదేవిధంగా మంచి రిజల్ట్ వచ్చింది. నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో చూసుకుంటే 100లో మాకు 11 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు. అదే 1000లో అరౌండ్ 49 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు. సో ఎక్సలెన్స్ వచ్చింది. అంటే ఆకాష్ అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా స్టూడెంట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటే మా దగ్గర ఉన్న ఫ్యాకల్టీ మెంబర్స్ 1-to-1 అటెన్షన్ తీసుకొని వాళ్ళని డెవలప్ చేసి ఖచ్చితంగా ఐఐటి కొట్టేటట్టుగా ప్రయత్నిస్తున్నాము. సో ఈసారి ఎవరైతే పిల్లలు ఐఐటిలోనే కావాలి, అడ్వాన్సే కొట్టాలనుకునే పిల్లలకి ప్రత్యేకంగా ఈసారి ఇన్విక్టస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లాంచ్ చేశాము. ఆ ప్రోగ్రాము మీరందరూ అడ్మిషన్స్ తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు లాంగ్ టర్మ్లో పిఎస్ మా పవర్ స్టెప్లో ఇన్విక్టస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉంది. అడ్మిషన్స్ మొదలయ్యాయి. అది కాకుండా రిపీటర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్లో కూడా అడ్మిషన్స్ మొదలయ్యాయి. మీరు ఏదైనా మాకున్న 9 బ్రాంచెస్లో తెలంగాణలో వరంగల్, కరీంనగర్, నిజామాబాద్, కర్నూలులో కూడా మీరు వాకిన్ అయ్యి ఒకసారి మా ఫ్యాకల్టీస్తో కలిసి మీ డ్రీమ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో మెడికల్ కానీ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కానీ అచీవ్ అవ్వాలి డ్రీము ఖచ్చితంగా పూర్తి చేయగలరని కోరుతున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Felicitate our hardworking JEE Advanced students 2025. Today we celebrate their dedication and achievement. Students, your hard work and determination have set a remarkable example for all of us. Students, as you move forward, remember to continue striving excellence and never give up on your dreams. Today with us, we have Chief Guest Amit Sir, State Head of Akash, Bharat Sir, RSGH, Srikant Sir, Deputy RSGH.
So good afternoon, students, parents, my dear colleagues, and entire print and digital media colleagues. So myself Amit Kumar, I am working as a Telangana Akash State Head. So we are gathering here to understand our success stories of our students who have exceptionally performed well in JEE Advanced 2025 exam. Akash Institute we started 15 years ago in Telangana, and in these successful 15 years Akash Telangana team has produced n number of results in below 100, below 1000 category, both in JEE and NEET exam. Today we have gathered here to felicitate our toppers who have performed exceptionally well in JEE Advanced 2025. Now morning we all know that JEE Advanced 2025 results have been announced, and across Pan India I am very happy to share that 9 students from classroom program and 2 students from our DLP program, total 11 students have secured below 100 AAR across Pan India. Not only that, in below 1000 category, as of now we have 99 students, 97 classroom program students and 2 students are from DLP. When we talk about Akash Telangana branch, like every year, this year we had students who have become the state toppers in JEE mains consecutively. Like Harsh Gupta has secured All India rank 15 in JEE mains and who has been the state topper with 100 percentile. When we talk about today's JEE advanced results, we have Kotta Dhanush Reddy who has secured All India rank 74 in JEE advanced. Apart from that, 4 students have secured in below 1000 category. We have Samhita who has secured 130 rank, Harsh Gupta has secured 210 rank, and Raghavan has secured 770 rank, and Viswanavadeep has secured 877. Our results are being still compiled, but definitely these students have become a pride of Akash Telangana. So I am very happy that these students have performed well. Apart from this, in below 5000 category, we have 11 students from Akash Telangana in JEE advanced category. Now every year when we produce these kind of exceptional results in JEE mains, JEE advanced and NEET, this is all credit goes to the first and foremost thing, parents. So I would like to thank all the parents for their trust in Akash system, especially Akash Telangana team, then students, and of course last but not the least, our faculty team. So when we talk about Akash faculty, we do have well experienced teachers who teach at not only at JEE advanced level and even at NEET level. When we talk about our programs, this year we are proudly announcing a new program, especially in engineering wing and IIT wing, that is our Power Step Invictus program. This is our advanced JEE program which we have launched first of its kind, wherein all the students who are aspiring for seats in top IITs are going to be admitted in this class 11th, 12th and this repeater program of Invictus. So without delaying further, I would like to felicitate all our toppers. So before that, I would like to request our RSGH, Mr. Bharat sir, to speak few words. Thank you all.
Sir, this is a great day for us. First of all, thanks to all the students, parents who have come and the media friends who have come to this occasion. So it really a great day for us. See, Akash we started overall 38 years ago, and this brand known more for a need for a long time. Then we started in Telangana in 2010, and last 15 years, especially in last 2 to 3 years, we have been getting an excellent result in JEE mains and advanced, and this success which we are getting for last 3 to 4 years continuously in advance also gives a lot of confidence to us, because not only NEET, we are equally good in JEE advanced results, and you see our students really flourishing in that as well. So this year, keeping that this is a big engineering market and there are many people who aspire to take JEE advanced as a serious career, getting into an IIT is a very dream for most of the students out in Hyderabad. We started Invictus program, as sir has just told about it. So Invictus is specifically designed for the people who are aspiring to get into IITs. So this program is there. And this is a season where we are also doing admissions into repeater program. So those admissions are on for us. So good to see that, we are continuously getting an excellent results in engineering as well. NEET anyways, we have been doing very well for past so many years. So I think this all credit goes to our faculties out in Akash and the hard work of the students and definitely the support of the parents. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Amit sir and Bharat sir.
Mr. Reddy, be honest in your efforts and work consistently. You will definitely achieve your goal. All the best to all the aspirants. Thank you. I like to thank the management of Akash for the fantastic support they have given to my son. Thank you very much.
My name is Samhita Paladi. I would like to express my gratitude for my teachers and the management at Akash. They have done more for me than I can put into words. Their support means a lot to me, and of course my family, who gave up a lot so that I could be here today. Thank you to everyone.
Hi everyone, I'm happy and I don't have any words to say right now, and this is purely because of faculty, Akash faculty, especially Maganti sir and remaining 3 faculties, and her hard work and dedication. The only word I say to her is just follow the teachers, faculty. That's all. Nothing. Don't do anything. Just follow them. They will take you wherever you need. That's all. She did it. They did it. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot for the support throughout the 2 years. It's a great pleasure to me.
I am Harshay Gupta, and I would like to use this opportunity to thank my parents, faculty, and especially my aunt for all the guidance they've given me up until the very end. They helped me keep my confidence up when I needed it the most. Thank you.
Okay. So I am Harsha's father, and this has been a pleasure to be associated with Akash for almost like more than a year now. And they have guided him so well that we were wondering that what he is doing, is it really a magic or some dreaming we are doing? But that was something which we could not really think, and we are really thankful to all the teachers and all the support they have given to Harsha all through these many days and weeks and years, to say thank you so much and all the best to all the people who are associated with Akash and they are in right hands. That's all.
Teachers and my parents for their support throughout the journey. Thank you. We are very happy that these students, these kids, all 5 who got less than 1000 rank, we are very happy. That is, the institute has given a tremendous help. That is Maganti sir and all the teachers, personal care, not only academically, personally, they guided them a lot. So we are very happy. We are blessed to get this opportunity to study in COE Akash Institute. Thank you.
Hello, I'm very happy to be here, and my special thanks to Maganti sir and teachers. They have motivated my son. Actually, his first year is very low, but at that time they motivated, especially Maganti sir motivated well. So second year he worked hard and finally he achieved. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. I would like to thank my parents and my teachers who constantly put effort and helped me whenever I felt low, and always pushed me and helped me achieve this rank. Thank you.
Akash Institute, and thanks to Maganti sir, Karnakar sir, Abhay sir, మా ఇద్దరు పిల్లలు ఆకాశ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ వల్ల చాలా గెయిన్ అయినారు. మణిదీప్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్స్ టు ఆకాశ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ సార్.
Thank you, ma'am.
So I would like to, hi, my name is Tanmay P. Singh, and I would like to thank Akash Institute and especially all the teachers for all the support that they have given me, and mostly my parents who have always backed me whenever I fell down, and they have always got me up. Thank you.
Thanks, Tanmay.
With full conviction, I can say that actually the faculty here, the head of the institution, Akash, is surely a best of the institute. They have actually catered to the each and every individual student. The way they give the homework, the way they give the content, understand the strengths of the each and every student, and they supported their best. So personally, thank to each every one of the staff. Surely this is the best of the institute in the Hyderabad, and I always feel very happy being associated with the organization. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.